everybody, it's Jackie G, and I'm with Sportsman's Art Supplies. I know I'm not in the store today. I'm hanging out at the Urban Sketchers Toronto conference, which is taking place near St. Lawrence Market. We're on Market Street right now, and we've got a great booth set up. If you want to come down and check out what urban sketching is all about, come on down. We're in downtown Toronto till 5 o'clock. We'll also be here again tomorrow from 10 to 5, weather permitting. So it'll be great to see all of you. We've got a really nice setup of all kinds of urban sketching materials, plus some other things. We're also sharing a space with our friends from Animal Paper from Germany. You can also check out the watercolors from Holbein. So there's a lot to see. Plus, you get to try urban sketching. They're really trying to show what an easy way it is to do urban sketching here or anywhere that you want to go or anything that you want to try. It really is that easy. They're wearing blue t-shirts. I don't have one. I'm wearing my own. But it'd be great to see all of you. We're a sponsor of the event, so we have a prize at the end if you do take part. And they have a lot of swag going on. So if you want to test it out, you want to sign up. They're really nice people to work with, and I'm so excited to be here. So if you're in downtown, come on down, and if you're not, come on down anyways. I mean, it's great to be here in downtown Toronto. I look forward to seeing all of you here today or tomorrow. Thanks very much. Have a great day.